These are the natural or spontaneous abortion. Whenever a case comes to you after abortion, it's the responsibility of the duty doctor to observe the female, which we will discuss, observe the fetus, so that they can differentiate either the cause of that abortion is natural or spontaneous, because it can be because of many other reasons. As you know, it is specifically in the priming gravida, female who is going to be mother for the very first time, the chances of spontaneous abortions are very high. Similarly, if the female is having some problem, hypertension, diabetes, chromosomal abnormality, ठीक है, sepsis, infections, and if the fetus is having chromosomal abnormality, family marriages हैं उसकी वजह से है, many other things, fetus की development ठीक नहीं हो रही because of any disorder, specifically first 3 months के जो abortions होते हैं वो normally spontaneous abortions होते हैं.